Never mind how shitty the background looks. I know it looks like I fucking recording a public storage facility break room. But welcome back to Herbs and Serves. This time, well, this is Big Serves, obviously. This time, it's time for another Herbs and Serves review. This time, this fucking time, we have the Deluxe crispy chicken sandwich from McDonald's. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think I've ever had a chicken sandwich from McDonald's. First time, a few bitches. Obviously, fries in the bag. Always gotta eat them. Got some ranch. From what I remember, McDonald's ranch ain't that smacking. But today, we review. Fries are kind of cold, kind of lame. I should have went to the other McDonald's because the other McDonald's is closer to my house, but I went straight from work to try to get shiny alternatives from GameStop. I should have called before. They don't have it. Then I went to McDonald's to get the Pokemon cards. They're out of, they don't have them anymore. So literally this whole trip was a failure, but the good thing is we have a first time review, so let's get into that. This is some Diet Dr. Pepper. Giving the Diet Dr. Pepper 8.5. I think I gave the fries like a 6 point something last time. Boom, there it is. Bow. I feel like I should have ate this fresh because it's a little cold. But basically it has lettuce, spicy mayo, tomato, lettuce, and the chicken. Wingstop is out of chicken sandwiches until October, so that's gonna be lame too. Everything is like falling all over the place. I feel like because of the bread. This tastes like a potato bread. Not a big fan of the spicy mayo, but whatever. It'll do for now, I guess. Let me try it with the ranch. I love fries with ranch. Trivia time with Cervivell. I mean, the ranch isn't spectacular. It just tastes like, I don't know. I don't really like ranch. I prefer blue cheese. If you guys prefer ranch over blue cheese, you should really reevaluate your fucking life because you're fucking like in the Twilight Zone and the mente. Good thing though, the tomatoes seem kind of fresh. The ranch does go good with the spicy mayo. Honestly, it just tastes really cheap. Not that it's not good, it is good, but I'm feeling a 7.8 on the chicken sandwich. For sure. You know, it's not the best, it's not the worst. For $10 though, that's ridiculous, bro. Wingstop has a better chicken sandwich for fucking $5 or $6. So that being a factor, I'll give this a 7.7 for sure. You could, I think, I would have to do a Carl's Jr., a fast food chicken sandwich for you, Carl's Jr., because I like Carl's Jr. spicy chicken sandwich. This only tastes spicy because it has spicy mayo, not because the chicken itself is spicy. The chicken doesn't really taste spicy. So I'll lower it down to 7.5 for sure, yeah. Like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend. Till you go from me, Herbs and Herbs reviews every Thursday. We out, bro.